What's up guys, welcome back. I thought I'd do a super quick video on how to service your Mk7 transit van. This is a 2.2, so it's a transverse engine. If you've got a 2.4, and which is rear wheel drive, then that'll be longitudinal, but it's pretty similar. Never done it before, literally halfway through, and it's super duper easy. So let me show you underneath first. That is your drain plug for the sump. That is a 14mm, I better say, no, it's a 13mm, I lie. And then the oil filter, which is there. Try not to drop my phone in the, what's it? That's just over here, which is this thing here. So that unscrews, that's a 27mm on the bottom of that. That unscrews, and then obviously take that out. Make sure you change the seals over, fill it out with oil again if you want before you put it back. Then come into the top, quickly wipe my hands, and then come into the top. While the oil's draining, take the oil cap off, pull the dipstick out slightly because then that will help it all drain. While that's draining, air filter literally just clips all the way around this box, and then that's the lid that just lifts straight out, and then that air filter was in there. Literally just pull that out, do whatever you want with that, put a new one in there. And then the fuel filter, which is back here, that literally twists anti-clockwise, but as you're looking from the top it's clockwise. Wiggle it down, and then that's the old filter. Dispose of that, do whatever you want to do with that. Clearly you're going to stand that up in there, and then that's a new one. Fill that up with diesel, pop that back in, and then obviously put a new air filter in, put the sump plug in, put the oil filter on, do it all up, fill it up with oil, and then away you go. It's literally as easy as that. If you found that helpful, and hopefully you did, like, subscribe, share, all that sort of stuff. I've done service some other stuff before, but I've never tackled the transit before, but it's so easy. Obviously it's quite high, so you do need to jack it up a little bit to get underneath, but make sure you get an axle stand under there before you climb underneath. Super duper easy. Go and have a go.